Hi there, here's a walkthrough of Lifeline. You start forward onto your right foot. You're going to recover back onto your left with a quarter turn to the right and with a kick with your right foot to the side. So that's on 1. You continue that kick into a sailor step with a quarter turn to the back wall on 2 and stepping forward onto that right foot on the count, stepping left forward and hitching a right knee on count 3. Run back 3 times, right, left on 4 and quarter turn left, lunging left to left on 5. Recover quarter turn right, 6. Full turn forwards to the back wall, 7. Sweeping left on that count 7. Weave to the right side on 8, 1. The 1 is also a back rock, so I'll rock back on left on 1. Opening up my body to the left. Recover right foot 2 and 3 is going to be a vine. You square up to the back wall, doing a vine to the left and 3. And the 3 is also a little body sway, so that's 3. Recover right foot on count 4, but twisting your left heel out to the side because in the music she sings twisting and then she sings turning, and on that one, the word turning, we're going to turn 3. Quarter turn to the left, sweeping right forward on count 5. Do a twinkle with 1/8 of a turn to the right on 6 and step left forward, dragging right towards it on 7. Stepping back on your right foot on 8. Turn a quarter turn left, stepping left to the side on Step right forward on 1. Now, on that count 1, you do multiple things. So when you step forward right, you also brush your left foot forward, you kick your left foot forward, you hitch and you pull it backwards. So a lot of things happening, okay? So the weight was on your left foot, so step right forward on count 1 and you go 1, running backwards, left, right on 2, rock back left, 3, 4. When you do that back rock left, open up your body on 3, recover 4, because now we've prepped a full turn over our right shoulder, traveling forwards, 5. So still facing the diagonal, 7:30, okay? The very second you step down on that right foot on count number 5, you're also going to spin a pencil turn, a 3/8 of a pencil turn to the front wall, so that's 5. The step sheet says actually that you do that on the count. But basically it just means that the second you step down on your right foot, spin immediately on 5. Then you do 2 prison walks, left, right, forward, 6, 7. You turn a half turn right, stepping back on your left, sweeping right to the right side on count 8. Then you do a right sailor step, 1 and do a left twinkle, 2 and step right forward, sweeping left, 3. Do a jazz box traveling backwards on 4, 5. That count 5 is also a rock step, so that's 5. Recover right foot, 6, 7. You're going to turn a quarter turn right, stepping left to the left side. Lock your right behind left, popping your left knee, 7. Turn a quarter turn left, stepping left forward on 8. Then you step right forward into a rock step on You're going to you're going to start the dance from the top with a quarter turn kick. 1, sailor step, 2 and 3, etc. So that is a walkthrough of the 32 counts. Remember, we do have 2 tags in this dance on walls 3 and 6. They both start facing the front wall, okay? Wall 3, you have the tag after you've done the twist, turn, then you do the twinkle again. Normally you turn to the corner, but you turn to the front wall this time. So twinkle quarter turn on 6 and you walk your left foot forward on 7. You step right forward into a rock step on 8, recovering back onto your left foot, restarting the dance from the top, 1. Okay, let me just do that once more. So we do the sweep turn. Then you do this twinkle quarter turn on 6 and walk 7, rock 8, restart 1. Okay, tag number 2. Wall number 6, starting at the front wall, but you end with tag number 2 comes after the twinkle. The twinkle, what that we've just done, but it's twinkle still with the 1/8 of a turn. You do the rock, recover. Now, normally we'll be turning a quarter turn to the left, but here, this is the beginning of tag number 2. You change that quarter turn to 3/8 of a turn to the back wall. Okay, so that's ah. Then do a step half turn, stepping right forward on 1, half turn left, 2. You add 2 full turns on A3, A4. So you spin 2 full turns, A3, A4. You step right forward into a right rock step, A. You recover back left, and you restart the dance, 1. So there you go. So that was the 2 tags. Okay. Then the ending. The ending. Wall number 1, 2, 3, wall, that's wall 8, and you get to the point where you do the kick and the pull back into the run steps on 2, A3, recover, 4, half turn, A, do not turn a half turn, but just turn 3/8 of a turn, stepping right forward, on 5, dragging left next to it, and then just holding it because the music kind of fades out, boom, at this point. Okay, very good luck to you. That was a walkthrough of Lifeline.